is CAPM? CAPM, which is Capital Asset Pricing Model, stands out as a model used to determine a theoretically adequate required rate of return of an asset or a commodity and then make decisions about adding them to a well-varied portfolio. So it is actually a concept of finance. Hello guys, today's video will be a video that has so much to do with financing and investing your earnings at various places and getting good returns. So without any further ado, let's get started. This model talks about the accounting of the asset's sensitivity to a non-diversifiable risk, which is called systematic risk or market risk. It is often represented by a beta unit, as we know this term in the financial industry. CAPM, in its terminology, assumes a form of a utility functions that makes it popular and straightforward to use by all, listing its investor including Jack Trainer, William F. Sharpe, and many more. Another personality who introduced black CAPM or zero beta CAPM does not assume the existence of the term riskless asset. The advantage of these versions was that it was more robust against empirical testing, and with these options, the preference for this one increased. At the individual level, we try using the security market line and its relations with expected return and systematic risk, which is beta, as I talked about earlier. The SML or security market line teaches us to calculate or estimate the reward to risk ratio for any kind of ratio about or by the overall study of the market. Now, you must wonder what betas are or what some modified betas are. So, the research has been going on in this field. For example, the mean reverting beta is known by another name as adjusted beta as well as consumption beta. The terms that I use is SML. So basically, it is a valuable tool used to determine an asset taken into considerations for a portfolio that offers a reasonable expectations for its risk. So you will be wondering, what will be done on SML? In this, the individual securities will be plotted on an SML graph. There are various problems concerning the CAPM. Considering the traditional CAPM, which used the historical data, but if you take up my recommendations, this is not enough for predicting the future and looking up the modern ones. They give up much more effective results. Secondly, most practitioners and academics agree or they can relate to the risk of varying results. The model also assumes that the difference in returns we receive is not enough risk measurement. Thirdly, the people who have been in financial accounting know that some optimistic investors prefers to have positive skewness, all things equal, and so on. The last point that I would share with you is that the CAPM model does not adequately explain the difference or variations that we come up with in stock returns. I hope that this video will have given enough knowledge about CAPM, and the next time you enter into the finance industry, you take care of all the pros and cons. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then like, share, and comment below your thoughts. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for such content related to finance.